Group 3 of Grade 9 day, the chainsaw. Girls, come on, hurry up!
Wait for me!
Faster, Erica! I see the road! There's a car coming!
Let's go for help!
Help! Help! Help! Help! Please help us!
Hey Jacob, do you want some juice?
No thanks, Alexa.
Come on Jacob, come with us.
I'm fine, Tap, because I don't want to drink.
You two are so mean. Jacob doesn't want to drink, so stop, you two. Shh! I hear something.
What?
I hear calling some help.
Come on, it came from the forest. Are you guys going to the forest? No, I can't go to the forest.
But there's someone who needs help.
I don't care! Hey, come on guys, we just leave Alexa here. No!
Alexa, listen, watch over our car. We just have to rescue a girl. Just a minute, okay? Let's go, guys.
Tina, watch over your steps. There's a trap.
Okay.
Hello, guys. Run!
She shot him!
Follow me, guys. Come on.
There's a cave. Come, let's hide.
Gosh, what's that smell?
Jacob, turn your flashlight on. What the?
Corpses.
I think the chainsaw man did this.
Help! Help! Help!
Help me!
The girl!
She needs help. Let's find out.
Look, there's a blood in that way.
I think we should follow that blood.
Help! Please help!
Don't worry. We're coming. Did you hear that?
It's Alexa, come on!
Alexa!
We should help here!
How did you know our location, Alexa?
There's no time! Let's help now! Right.
Breakfast! Ha 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 ha!
Who's that? Let's skip now.
Jacob, behind you!
Hide!
Jacob,
Okay, girl, what is your name? Lena. My name is Lena. Lena, I'm Top. You're beautiful, Lena. Top! Just nothing for that!
Guys, what should we do now?
The chainsaw man must be shot on his head. Right! Come on! Let's finish this off!
Hello guys! Ha ha ha! You can run but you cannot hide.
She shot him! Whoa, ho ho ho. Good job, Alexa. You killed him.
So what are you guys waiting for? Let's leave this place.
Right. Let's go back our way to where the car is parked.
Hey, help us, please.
Please help, I beg you.
We don't want to die.
We are victimized by the chainsaw man.
Okay. Get in. Let's go! Hey!
The chanceman is alive and is following us.
Leave a gallon of gas, Top.
Why?
There's no time for asking questions. Hurry!
Okay, James, help me carry the gallon of gas at the back of the car.
Okay.
Hurry! Start the car!
The chainsaw man is still alive! He's coming!
Shoot him again! Guys, thanks for rescuing me.
You're welcome, Lena.
But Jacob is dead.
Don't worry about Jacob, Alexa. It's okay.